Hello, this is Jason from iJDMTOY, here to address a question concerning our LED pod lights. Many customers have been asking us why the included bolts sometimes don't fit well. This was intentionally done to ensure a secure fit when pre-assembling the pod lights. The holes are pre-drilled to be about the same diameter as the bolts. So how do you work around this? There are two ways you can go about it. You can use a flathead screwdriver or other sharp object to slightly widen the hole for easier entry. You can also use the included Allen wrench to push down the bolt and screw it in. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tip serves you well. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and other social media channels for more content.